So I'm on to the third. So I'm on to the third line. I got one more to go, and I already emptied it after maybe each 2 rounds or 2 lines. I've already emptied it once, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, the suction's a lot better when you empty it. I noticed the difference. And the last one, still haven't emptied it out yet. So look at the difference. So guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Is it worth it, the 10 bucks? I think I got it for under 8 bucks actually with the coupons. New customers get, I think, a little bit more discount, but yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and empty the filter. I'll show you real quick. Just to show you the filter real quick, that's how much dust it took out from those 3 lines that I just did. So I emptied it twice for that whole vent. So, like I said, let me know. Is it worth it? For under 10 bucks? Product link right here in my video.